Hello, welcome to Polbas Cooking Cave. I will make onion, garlic, fried pork, and I will start to make the pork ready. I have some pork chops that I cut in thin slices, and this I will very shortly marinate in black pepper and some soy sauce, and this I will start to do over here. Sprinkle some black pepper on the meat, about a teaspoon, and then sprinkle some soy sauce over the meat, and then we simply just mix. So it's all covered from the soy sauce and from the pepper. And then we set it aside and let it marinate for a short time while I will make the wok-sauce. And this I will do by in this small bowl I have 1 teaspoon of cornstarch and 1 teaspoon of sugar. And in this I will add one tablespoon of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of dry sherry. Oopsie, a bit more, okay. And then I will add 2 tablespoons of water. And then we will mix. And while this has been done, then I have made the wok warm already, and then I just add about 2 tablespoons of oil. And then we take the meat and add into the oil. And the meat we add until fry until start to get brown. And the good thing about cut the meat in this small parts is because it's frying very fast. About 1 minute and it's done. One piece. And then we split it up to the side. And then we add a fry. I have cut some onion rings. And this we fry short time until it starts to get shiny. As you can see also when they start to fall apart, the onions, then they are ready. And then I will add, I have two cloves of garlic and about 1 inch of ginger chopped. This we add into and let's fry together until we can smell the aroma from the ginger and the garlic. In this temperature it doesn't take long. And then I have some spring onions that I cut in about 3 centimeter sticks, like this. This we add into the whole thing now. And let's fry together and mix. This we just give a short time because this has to keep the bite. Then we mix together with the meat. And then I will add 1 chili, chopped finely. Give it a mix. And when it's warm up, then we make a small hole in the middle, let the oil rinse down. And then we will add the wok-sauce. And this we pour in, and then we stir until it starts to get thick. And when it starts to get thick, then we simply just mix with the meat. So it all get covered. And take off the heat. And then I have a small plate I made already with some chopped salad leaves, shredded carrots, and then this we use as the bottom. And then we just arrange on the salad. Add some tomatoes. And finally sprinkle with some fresh sesame seed. Here we have onion garlic fried pork. Enjoy meal. Bye.